YouTube. Welcome back to Katt'z Corner. Yes, that is me, Katt'z. Back at the corner. What corner? The plant corner, as you can see. Yes. We are here. Why? Because she got mommy mail. Yes, she got her mommy mail today. Finally came in. And it is what can it be? I already said it's a plant, but what can it be? You already know. If you know, you know. Yes, she got another plant that her son bought all the way from, well, it is bought from Indoor Plant Company, and it's all the way from Panama City. Yay, Panama. Baby, and I hope it's a nice one. Ouch, with nice variegations. My arm, Lord have mercy. With nice variegations. It took like 2 weeks to get here. I was hoping they'll be here by Mother's Day, but whatever. Can't help the process. That's their mailing process. They'll tell you, generally they'll mail like a week to 2 weeks. Generally just 2 weeks process. But whatever. Could have been here earlier. Could have been around time for Mother's Day. But I ain't gonna check because it was really cheap. Really cheap. Real cheap for this baby. And I appreciate my baby for buying this for me. I appreciate it so much. I think I'm gonna name it that. I already have it. I'll name it after his nickname after him. How about that? Yeah, but the little guy is finally here, and I want you guys to open it with me. I'm glad y'all are here. And for the newcomers, hi, welcome. I'm Kat. Welcome to the plant corner, or whatever corner you find yourself in, because she do a lot here. She do shirts, cooking, baking, all kind of stuff. You know, whatever comes in line, which might be in my next video, so stay tuned. But all the already subscribers that's been here for a while, hey guys, welcome back. And the new ones that haven't subscribed, if you haven't, please subscribe. Hit the button down there and subscribe. And if you like the video, please like the video. If you don't, who cares? Hit the down button. Thumbs down button. I don't care what you do. Don't matter to me none. Because she gonna do what she gonna do anyway. But anyhow, welcome all, and I hope all is well with y'all. And enough with the foolishness. Let's get into this baby, shall we? I am so ready to see what she's looking like. Because let me pull out my little blade. When I bought it, what took me away was the variegations on it. The variegations are sweet. And if they switch out the plant on me, and not give me the one that I see online, the one online was sweet. Maybe I'll try and put in a picture up in one of these locations to show you what it looked like. Hopefully it's the same one I end up with, not with one just speckles here and there. Well, at least you know it's an get it. But anyhow, let's get to this baby. Anywho, yeah. Anybody you hear say that, they got it from me. Since folks want to be petty around this month, like they came up with something new. Ciao, bye. Let's get into this baby here. Let's get into it. Let's do it. We have it up, right? Yes, we do. We're gonna look at it together. Yes, we are. Take it. Leave the lights on. Oh, sorry, y'all. away, cut away, cut away, child. Cut away, cut away, cut away. Cut away, y'all. Close your blade up. Ain't nobody trying to be cut. Get cut and be bleeding all over the place. And you don't get no stitches, bandages, no nothing. No owies. No owies. And more tape. I'm trying to get into this thing. I am trying to get into it. Let me in. Let me in. Careful there. Pull it out now. They can pull it out. Can we pull it out? Oh, that's what. Let me shut up. I'ma shut up. Here she go. Now, when I seen it online, okay, it was 2 reasons why I pointed it out to my child. I was like, ooh, it's cheap. There's a lot of variations. I want it. I want it. I want it. I want it. So I was like, oh, look at this, son. Yeah, it's cheap. I already got one. Don't worry about that. I ain't got that one. I don't have that one. That's all that matters. I believe you there. Mother Day. It's gonna hands. You see it. I already know this is not the one. That is not the one. I'm gonna read once again. I know what it says. You will get the one that you see. Oh, well, actually, I'm not even going to say that because it did says, child, grower's choice. I'm going to just be quiet and just pray that we got a lot of variegations. Still, at least, because the ones I seen, you see my time? Yes, it's a time. Yay, it's another one. Cheese. It's my babies. So what? Who got a problem? Ain't nobody mad but the baby. I don't know. This one might go on. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but it's somewhere nice. Yay! Say hello to... I'm not even going to put his name out there. You thought you was going to get me. You thought. But we're not. Let's go and put his baby on the bottom. Let's free him. Oh, you got a lean going. Where you going? Got a lean with it. Rock with it. Let me not tell that because I don't know. More fabulous tape. Don't you love that sound? Sorry. Jesus. Yeah. I was hoping for more variegations, people. Oh, just burns my head. I need it thick like that on the stems. You see, this is basically green shot, indicating that there will not be a lot of variegation like chunks. I was hoping it was like chunks. It was like thick variegation, streaks, chunks here and chunks there. And I was like, I want that. You know, the one that will catch your eye and make you want to buy, but you ain't really getting that one. I can't complain because, like I said, it did say buyer's choice. And I do recall, I think the photo said you would get this something like to the one individual. It's the same plant, but it's not like the one individual because I got a little. I am truly grateful for that. But whatever. Him home now. Welcome him in. Yay! Yay! Welcome him in. I love his little variegations up there. It's nice though, right? The fenestrations, I mean, with that variegation, it's nice. It's nice. I can't really complain. Okay. Guess I can't complain too much. See that, baby? Got a little owie going on right there, but it's all right. And then that one there. It's just too cute. I just wish you had more variegations on the stem, at least two. Let's see what's going on in the inside. Let's see why you're getting your lean on, your gangster lean on, child. Let's see. Can a girl have enough monastery tri-constellations? To each his own. But I do know I'm trying to get some more rare monasteries. The rarest. So that's what I'm gonna try to. Don't listen to me, husband. That's what I'm gonna be. That's what my wish list. That's what it is. My wish list. If it come up in here some way, somehow, there's an extra plant here and there. Don't ask no questions. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right. Everything gonna be all right. Your rare plants. So therefore, you can make a profit back. As long as you don't kill it. Let's see. Before I pull it out, let's get the little wrap. Lay it down here. So it won't be like, let's go. Come down. Let's see what's going on up in here. I see root. See root peeking already. Take a little. That's a good nice sign. Yeah. See, muscle with barely any soil in there. For shipping purposes. And yeah. Crap. I think I'm gonna just get a stick. And I'm gonna leave this baby alone. Anybody got a stick? Y'all got a stick? Thank you. Ooh. Don't want to stand no roots. Don't be mad at me, honey. Let's check it, shall we? And make sure we're good. Yo, is that and she's pregnant. She's ready to birth. Give her some water. She's gonna be peeking out. Give her some good food. You see how thick that is? Oh, Lord, have mercy. And that is gonna be speckled. Jesus Christ. Okay. It definitely looks like it's been cut away, of course. It is not a single plant. Well, it's a single plant now, but yeah, it is a cutaway. I do prefer, look, he's thirsty. I do prefer not to get it cut, but guess you can't complain. It's a nice little piece of cut. Top cutting, back cutting, top cutting it is. But yeah, we got a leaf coming, so we're just gonna let this baby adjust into a new home. And this stick is not long enough. It's barely covering, but yeah. That's not gonna hold you. I'm gonna need a stronger, longer stick. That's what she said. But yeah, anywho, but that is it, guys. I'm gonna find me something to. I know I just had some Velcro there. It's a long piece. It's way too long. So we're just gonna stick him up like that. Hold him up, hold him up, hold up. Now don't be swaying all over the place. Ooh, let me put him on another one. Because clearly the way he's set up in here, it's gonna fall over. So, but yeah, see, look like child. Why I keep saying she about to give birth and then say he gonna fall over? Cause last that I know, only if she births. Yeah, see, I didn't even close my blade and it was sitting there right next to my arm, y'all. Pay attention to what you doing, child. I'm excited to get into your stuff and cut yourself up. Trying to see what your plan looking like. But yeah, him here, my mommy's gift. Welcome him into the crew. I'm excited for him. Are you turning yellow down here, sucker? You looking quite yellow. You look like he ain't gonna be around too long. I'm thirsty, poor thing. I'm gonna give him a little drinky drink. Sit him in some water. Let him sit and get his little drink on it. And let him perk up. I need to go find me some Super Thrive. Doggone it. So we can try to save that leaf a little bit. I have some for the leaf, but I want it for the food. But yeah. Here go my little man. Here go my other child. My new green baby. Welcome home. Welcome home. I thank you guys for stopping by my video. And yeah. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hey, you the ones that ain't subscribed. Subscribe for you, girl. It ain't gonna kill you. Let me know that you know. Shout you out. You know. All that good things. Support me and support each other. You know how it goes. And remember, stay rooted, people. Stay rooted. And what? Never ever forget who loves you, baby. All right? And I'll see you on the next one. And I'll holla. Bye-bye. Bye.